The wait is over. Finally, there's a Cellulite treatment clinically proven to be more effective. The Cellulaze treatment is the first and only procedure to attack the very structure of cellulite. The only one to achieve results like this in just one treatment. You've tried hiding your cellulite, putting away your shorts, wearing cover-ups.
I wore capri pants in the summer and pants, of course, throughout the winter. Never anything really tight where you can see it, and definitely avoided shorts.
You've tried everything to get rid of your cellulite. Exercise, diets.
I tried dieting, exercising, topical creams, and nothing really seemed to make a big difference.
I do aerobics, I walk on the treadmill, I ride a bike, but didn't have much success getting rid of those problem areas.
You've tried lotions and massage.
The cellulite creams, the little buffers that you rub on your legs. I've tried the pills that they sold for vitamins, whatever they were. Nothing worked.
I was trying topical treatments at first, and they promise you the world and they really don't deliver.
I've tried every single cream on the market, saw no results.
I heard about Cellulaze from a friend, and I was a bit skeptical. I thought, like, well, I've tried various creams and nothing works, but I figured I didn't have anything to lose, so why not give it a try?
If you're like most, you'll love the Cellulase treatment. It's the first procedure approved and proven effective in reducing the appearance of cellulite after just one treatment. It's an amazing breakthrough.
Cellulase is offering women hope. I mean, I see it as hope. Women are coming in here and they are just so happy to have something that offers them the ability to treat specifically cellulite through a procedure that addresses all the components of the anatomy of cellulite.
When many patients come into me as a plastic surgeon, they have issues and many things on their body that they can control. If they're overweight, they can lose weight, they can change the color of their hair, but cellulite is something they can't do anything about, and before Cellulase, we couldn't do anything about it. Now we can.
Cellulite occurs when underlying tissue bands stiffen and the fat cells they surround enlarge, pushing up against the skin, creating that cottage cheese effect. The Cellulase procedure modifies that structure, reducing the appearance of cellulite in a single treatment.
The Cellulase treatment is fairly simple for the patient. It's done in the office. We numb the area, use a minimally invasive technique, and then they can go right home to assume their normal daily activities.
During the procedure, a tiny laser fiber is inserted under the skin, which gently heats skin and disrupts or melts the fat. Next, the laser releases the fibrous bands that pull down on the skin and create the dimpling effect. This release creates a smoother look. Finally, the laser's energy stimulates collagen production to increase your skin's depth and elasticity for a more even, healthier appearance.
What's so exciting about Cellulase is that it is the first minimally invasive laser treatment that's been cleared and beneficial to patients that have cellulite. The thing that I love is that it's one treatment, and I think patients like that.
This is very easy. This is virtually pain-free. You definitely, there's no downtime.
It turned out to be really a simple procedure.
I could see the results probably into that week. You could see the difference for my leg. And that's what I was shocked even more, because I didn't think it was going to work as fast.
Within a day or two, I was fine. I was able to run the office with no problem.
Two things really make this revolutionary. One is the degree of cellulite improvement. We're seeing markedly higher improvement levels of cellulite than we have with any other treatments in the past. But secondly, we're not seeing that transient nature of the improvement. We're seeing results at 6 months, at 1 year, which is a great breakthrough. And remember, that's only one treatment.
There is a significant smoothing out of the areas of dimpling and bulging, and there's a change in the skin integrity. These are very different changes that have not been able to be noticed to this degree by other methods of treatment of cellulite.
What's great about Cellulaze is that it works, it has minimal downtime, and that it's one treatment.
The patients love the end results.
I feel very good. I feel sexy.
Oh, I feel very confident. I enjoy the way I look now when I see myself in the mirror, or even when I go out to a public area where I have to wear a bathing suit or shorts.
I feel a lot more confident that I can put on shorts in the summertime without feeling embarrassed and covering up.
It's been a year and the results are great. The skin is definitely tighter. The area is so much tighter that I could never get from working out.
Now I feel comfortable wearing shorts in public.
Oh, I love it. I would do it again.
I'm just so pleased with the results I have had.
Me feeling comfortable enough to wear a bathing suit, that's what makes me happy.
I don't exercise, and the cellulite didn't come back. So that pretty much surprised me, because, no matter what, you always feel like the cellulite's going to come back. So, like I said, a year later, there is no cellulite there.
It is very unusual in the area of cellulite treatment to have this great a response, positive response from our patients.
Patients across the country are thrilled at the lasting results of their single Cellulase treatment.
I would recommend Cellulase for my friends, to my family, because it worked for me. I would definitely 100% recommend Cellulase to my friends.
I would recommend Cellulase treatment to my friends. It's relatively painless, and the recovery process was very easy, and it helps and it makes a big difference in your appearance.
Cellulase treatment was totally worth it, and I would definitely recommend it to friends and family.
It's really good, and there's little to no pain, and it's a fast procedure. You're in and out quickly. I would definitely recommend it to anybody.
It's been over a year, and the results are still there. I'm happy. Everything is smooth and perfect.
Well, I have to say it's great. I would definitely recommend it.
So put on your shorts, your skirts, your bathing suits, and bear it all again. The wait is over. Ask your doctor about the Cellulase treatment today.